Hello everyone, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Wednesday, July the 8th, 2020. In this second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku, and before I start, I always count the printed numbers so I know how the difficult level will be, and it's not always the less numbers, the difficult level will be higher. Previous one, Sudoku with 1 star has 27 printed numbers. 2 stars, I think 26, but let's check it just in case. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 plus 5 is 26. Yes, correct, 26. Let's get started. Alright, which number shall I pick? How about the number 7 in this column, 7 in the third column? So the column between the second column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 7. How about the number? 6 in this column, 6 in the last column. So in the column between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, so no 6 in these two boxes. There 6, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 could be here or could be there. So we have a 6 in this third column, a 6 in one of these two boxes in the second column. So in the first column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1. So no 1 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 8 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then Well. Yes, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. Then 2 numbers left in the last column. For the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Then 4, yes. I see a pair here. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for 9 here or there. Same with the 3, 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. I marked them for you so it's easier to follow. So 1 box left in this big square should be the number 4. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Mark them for you also. How about these 3 numbers? The 4 is missing, the 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We have a 5 and a 4 here, so no 5 and a 4 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the number 8. Here we have the 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5 up here. Alright, and now. Let me see. 3, 3. We have a 2 in this row. A 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 2 should be there. And look, we have marked those 2 boxes with the 1 and the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 1, and this should be the 2. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 6. And then yeah. Three numbers left in this big square. Those numbers are the 3, the 9, and the 4. We see here 9, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. The 3 and the 4 are left. I cannot fill this yet. 3 and the 4. That means the 4 goes in those 2 boxes in this middle row. One of those 2 boxes is a 4, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 5 and this should be the 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 8 and 7. I cannot fill this yet, but I marked them because those are pairs, so you can follow it easier. 4, 3, and 8. Alright. And now, yeah. 5. We need a 5. 5, 5. 4, 4. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 3, 4, and then 9. Yes. 3 missing numbers in this first column. Those numbers are the 3, the 4, and the 9. And look, we have the 3 and the 9 here, so no 3 and a 9 in that box. 1 digit left for the 4. The 9 and the 3 goes here. I mark them for you, and look, we have a pair, 9 and a 3. That means the other 2 numbers are the numbers 5 and the 4. 5 and a 4. Let me mark them again. 4 and a 5. Alright. What are those 3 numbers then? In this big square, we have a pair, 9 and a 3. So the 4 is missing. The 8 is missing. And the 5 is missing. We see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 3 are missing now. No, the 4 and the 8 is missing. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 3. This should be the 4. These 3 numbers in this big square, the 1, the 9, and the 3. And look, we have a 9 here, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. The 1 and the 3 are missing. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. How about these 2 numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 3? We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And then these 2 numbers are the 5 and the 6. Let me mark them, 5 and the 6. That means in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is in a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. We see here 5, no 5 there. We see there 5, no 5 there. So the I made a mistake. Cannot be. Here I made the mistake. We have already an 8. It's not the 8 and the 7, it's the 5 and the 7. Yeah. Luckily I have double control. Double checked. Alright, so we need a 5 in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here cannot be a 5, we have a 5 there. Here cannot be a 5. Here cannot be a 5, and there cannot be a 5. So one place left for the 5 should be there. Alright, so it's the 5 and the 7. One box left in this row for the number 7. Almost made a mistake. Alright. 3 numbers left. The 2. The 8. And the 2, 8 and the 6. 2, 8 and the 6. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 9, 3, and yes. 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there, we see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, we have here 5 and a 7, so these 2 should be the 8 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be the 5. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. One number left in this column should be for the number 8. 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 3. We have a 3 now, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish 17 minutes. Alright. A little bit slower than the previous one, but I'm pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the third Sudoku, a Sudoku with 4 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.